WiseBudget is an expense tracker app which tracks your incomes and expenses. In the app you can see your total balance and your monthly incomes and expenses. And you can track your debts and amount of lent and borrowed, and you can see your spending in charts, and you can customize your categories according to your needs. The app has a very user-friendly design which you can easily see your daily incomes and expenses and has awesome unique design. And you can select your currency and type your salary. Or you can turn off salary button if you don't have monthly salary. And the process of adding incomes or expenses takes only 3 seconds, which does not take too much time. Firstly, choose your category and type your spendings, and if you have a note, type, or you can leave it, and after adding you can still edit or delete any of your incomes or expenses. In debts you can add lents or borrows, and in any of your debts we will provide fully details and user-friendly to better experience with our app. When you choose any of your debts, and you can see total borrow and remained amount and repaid amount. And you can still borrow more or repay part of debt or repay all, and you can type notes in each transactions. And after repaying you can delete or archive your debts. You can come back to see your debts anytime later. In order to save your data you have to back up your data and tap the icon on top left of the app and tap backup and restore and choose your email and back up your data, and you can restore your data in any other mobiles or when you changed your mobile. And for better improvements please type your suggestions and we can solve your problems. And for a better experience we added dark mode for the app which is most of our user prefers. Hope to enjoy our app.